It is a very exciting day today. I am here with Mr. Leigh Kuhn, president and founder of RhinoWorks. What's going on, brothers? So good to be here with you.
Nice to be here.
This is a really special moment. We're here with the AirBoss 750 Elite right here behind us, and I'm so excited to bring all these incredible features that are going to allow you to maximize your business and get out there and do what it is that you desire to do, which is build and grow and ultimately scale your business. Let's go through this. Mr. Leigh, tell us all about this incredible machine that you've professionally engineered and developed to bring it right to the person who's standing at the other end of this camera right now. We can't wait to bring this to you.
Cool, thanks Judd. We're here with the RhinoWorks AirBoss 750 Elite, which is our best seal coating trailer. So this trailer was engineered from the ground up with the contractor in mind. It's not just a trailer in a seal coat tank, it's a trailer engineered for a seal coat tank. And as you can see, it's got a sizable one. So everything from, when we talk about seal coat rigs, there's a whole bunch to kind of to go through here. So we'll kind of talk about the core aspects that are important to the average contractor. So first and foremost, obviously it's a trailer. You got more going on than just seal coating. You want to have space for equipment, for tools, for storage, everything from brush boxes to small tools and accessories to large equipment. The AirBoss 750 trailer has the largest deck in its class, about 50% more storage space than competitors' units. And that's fantastic when it comes to storing your extra equipment like your rotary brooms, your blowers, your crack melters, line stripers, whatever you're going to put on it. So that extra deck space is nice to be able to put all that in place. This unit is equipped with 60 gallons of freshwater storage in a separate freshwater tank. Anyone that's been in the seal coating business understands that it's a messy job. You've got lots of cleaning to do before or at the end of the day, flushing out your hoses, cleaning down surfaces, keeping things tidy. So having that fresh water is definitely a really big help at keeping everything tidy and clean. At the core of the unit, we've got a 30-gallon compressor with a 30 CFM industrial grade air compressor pump. So our air compressor pumps and our entire air compressor is actually engineered for this unit. We didn't just grab an off-the-shelf air compressor like some of the other units in the market. You'll see they just throw an air compressor, bolt it on, and hope for the best. This unit's actually engineered. It's got 30% more CFM than the closest competitor. And why that matters is if you're ever running multiple spray wands, large tips, a spray bar, you need that airflow to be able to get the right tip pressures for applying different types of seal coats. It's equipped with electric start, 14 horsepower engine, and a full rubber paddle sweep agitation system. And on top of that, we've got a pneumatic hose reel, which means you don't have to use your arm to wind up your hose at the end of the day. There's just a simple on-off ball valve to wind up your hose when you're all done. One of the things I really love about this system is we've integrated all these stepping points throughout the unit. So you've got the front, the side, and the rear, and these are strategic. So as you can see, Judd's climbing up. Obviously, you've got to fill your tank, you've got to be able to mix product, check levels, and for anyone that's my size, I'm not a small guy, getting up to these units is really difficult if you don't have that strategically planned out. Yeah, we've got grip tape and good grip surfaces going up, reinforced brush box built into the side of the unit, and then on the opposite side, we've got a cargo box that mimics this for storage of things like your jerry cans, shop rags, tools, replacement parts, whatever you've got to bring with you on the job site. And these are all lockable, so you can walk away and not worry about whether or not someone's going through your stuff. Finally, at the rear of the unit, we've got a 2-inch dual diaphragm pump that's basically built out with high quality internal components to make sure you've got years of good service life. It's built for easy maintenance. So our seal coating pumps actually have a flange design in all the couplers to make it super easy to winterize or bring it out when you're setting up for the spring for cleaning out all your fittings, versus some of the other ones that are purely NPT fittings and can be difficult to assemble or disassemble. As I talked about earlier, full sweep agitation system, the control set, forward, neutral, and reverse, preset for the right amount of movement in the tank so that you don't over agitate or create any foam. It's running at the right speed to make sure that you're mixing your product efficiently and effectively. Within the actual manway on the tank, we've got rubber gaskets around the entire manway, which kind of helps make sure that you keep all the sealer inside your tank and you don't have any leaks when you're in transit if the tank's full. Beyond that, we talked about our brush box. You've got access and ability here to be able to put multiple brushes. We've designed enough width to be able to put 3 or 4 brushes within the box, lots of depth. And as you can see where Judd is, if you pull out the wand, there's actually a holster for the wand, and that holster goes right into the bottom of the water tank to also just keep that tip from drying up when you're from job to job. So it does a good job at keeping that all ready for the next job site. So it's equipped with a 2-inch air-operated dual diaphragm pump, as well as quick connect couplers throughout all the 2-inch lines for easy cleaning and maintenance. One of the really unique things about this AirBoss is it actually has an adjustable pressure dampening system. If you look at most units on the market, they'll have just a dumb surge bottle that sits over and above the pump to absorb pressure fluctuations from the diaphragm pump. The adjustable system allows you to actually incrementally increase or decrease the positive air pressure on the lines, which when you're spraying, no matter whether you're spraying at 80 pounds, 90 pounds, or 110 pounds of pressure at your pump, you'll always be able to minimize the fluctuations within your lines for the best spray result. The unit also has a pneumatic or an electronic hose reel, which is automatically adjusted by the push of a button, which is nice at the end of your workday, not having to worry about hand cranking a manual reel, saving a little bit of fatigue on your crew.
The innovations in this machine will allow you to deliver power-packed performance that will allow you to maximize your business, delivering incredible results to your customers. They also deserve those incredible results. We look forward to getting your AirBoss 750 Elite on the road to you. Give us a call. We're standing by to take your order. If you liked this video, go ahead and check out this video, or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.